Hi there, in this module, we'll be looking at Tumbler, a new generation social media platform launched in 2007 dedicated to microblogging. This social media platform can, in fact, help you generate traffic to your website quite effectively. Tumbler has more than 345 million registered accounts as of April 2017 and 738 million unique visitors worldwide during that same period. In fact, it has about 30 to 50 million active monthly users, and its mobile application alone has over 50 million downloads worldwide in that same year. With this in mind, one can utilize this popular social media platform to generate traffic to their respective sites and create brand or product awareness. Not only that, online marketers can also use this platform to build links to their sites, which will have a positive effect when it comes to SEO. Getting started with Tumbler. First, you'll need an active email account to register for Tumbler. Go to Tumbler's homepage and click Get Started. Type in your current email address and fill in the necessary information. Despite the quirky suggestions, you might want to enter your company's name. Once that's over, you'll be directed to a page welcoming you to Tumbler. Choose what topics you want to follow. After that, you'll see a page with multiple suggestions for you to follow. You can follow as many as you want here. Once you've had your pick, click Next. You'll see a loading screen where Tumbler is automatically optimizing your choices and building up your dashboard accordingly. After this step, you'll have your dashboard. Now, a few things you should know about Tumbler. Clicking the heart button will notify the person who posted it that you like that particular post. This is what you will be aiming for when you post something related to your business on Tumbler. Reblogging a post, the double arrow icon will allow you to repost that post on your blog so that your followers can see it. Keep in mind that other users may also reblog your post. This will help your company reach and expand across multiple users in Tumbler and gain that traffic you want. Continuing from your dashboard, you'll see a thumbnail, the picture with the square cube. Clicking on it will open an interface on the right of your screen. This is an introductory profile. Users will get a glimpse of what your blog's all about in this section. First off, your thumbnail should be relevant to your business. It would be wise to use your logo for this. Name your page and describe it per the objective of your business. Next, your header image should immediately encapsulate the whole idea of your business. If you're uncertain of your choices and lack the idea of what to put in it, you can explore other blogs. Simply hover to other thumbnails you see in your dashboards. If you find something interesting, click it and the same introductory profile will pop up for you. Next, it's time to edit your second profile page. This will serve as your main page to users in Tumbler. After saving, click on your avatar, your profile picture thumbnail. Again, when the right interface pops out and you will be directed to your main page. On the top right screen of your page, click on the Edit Appearance icon. The editing options will appear on your left screen. As you can see, there are multiple customizations you can do. Remember, you can always explore ideas for themes across multiple users. You can edit your theme manually by setting the desired colors you want all the way to the layout of your page. Take time to explore these options and figure out which suits your business best. You can also use ready-made themes. Just click on Browse Theme and choose what your desired theme will be by clicking the magnifying glass icon for a manual search. You can also click the drop-down arrow button for a variation of themes from premium, free, even to high-res themes. However, most of these themes require you to pay, so for now, stick to the free theme and choose from there. You can always edit your theme later once you've set up your account. Now that your blog's ready, time for you to post that first traffic. Exit the Edit Appearance bar and click the Dashboard button, the house icon on the top right of the page. On the top of the page, you can see 7 icons beside your avatar. Select the icon describing the type of content you want to post. For example, you want to post a photo of your own. Here's one I uploaded earlier. Click the Settings button top right of your photo. One useful tool from Tumbler is the custom URL. With this, You have the option to create your own custom URL for every post you share. This makes it easier for users to find you. Simply type in the URL you wanted your post to have. Below it is the content source. There's also post date and text editor options. You can edit those according to your preference. On the captions, you have the options to add another photo, videos, GIFs, horizontal line for caption breaks, and read more links if you want to put additional credit to the source of your post. To generate traffic with this platform, you'll need to identify your niche as well as familiarize yourself with the mechanism of tagging. Find Tumbler blogs of similar niches and follow them. This will help you gain some followers. Your content's very important as well. You should not try to rebuild your company page there, but rather your Tumbler blog should be the creative offshoot of your brand. You can also place advertising pieces up once in a while with your link to your promotional sales page attached. This will also help you draw traffic to your actual site. Your tags are important when it comes to attracting your traffic to your Tumbler blog. This helps users find your post and gives your blog and your product, if any, the exposure they need. A tip here is to pick tags that describe what your picture's all about, and also tags about the categories and themes that your image may be associated with. You can also tag your posts with popular tags in the Tumbler community. This includes LOL, fashion, food, DIY, art, landscape, illustration, vintage, design, and typography. 7 to 12 tags is the optimum number of tags. Any more would be considered spamming.